Let's go Sweden. Reached the Arlanda airport in Stockholm. It was a 40 minutes drive from the airport to the Sheraton Hotel. As soon as I opened the window, I saw the sky lit with beautiful colors of rainbow. It was just mesmerizing. Lakeview apartment is recommended to see this beautiful city view. Ready for day 2. Took a walk to catch the taxi to reach the port. Let's start the boat ride in the archipelago ship. There was a guide speaking in English and letting us know about fascinating stories about the different sites as we passed through them. The boat also had a cafeteria which served hot and cold drinks along with sandwiches. With this, the wonderful boat tour ended. Start of the day 3. Started with a beautiful morning walk. Bought a 24-hour ticket to the hop on and hop off bus tour. We were provided with headsets to listen to the guided commentary as we passed through the city. Interesting fact that we could listen to the commentary in 10 different languages, including English, French, German, Italian, Indian, and so on and so forth. As this is hop on and hop off bus, you can get down at any stops and explore the city. I got down and started to walk around the city. You can explore the city by walk also. Had a relaxing lunch with chicken and potatoes. And of course, a refreshing drink is a must. If you liked the video, kindly subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.